Hey, I'm Julian, the founder of Proxii, and I want to give you guys a quick video demo on how I personally use Proxii to achieve my goals and be more productive throughout the day. And this isn't just placeholder stuff. This is how I'm actually using it on my day-to-day basis. When you open up the app, you'll have the productivity dashboard. And as you can see here, I have a streak. So I'm currently on a 13-day streak. And so the streak is calculated by proper metrics. So if you do a daily reflection, if you completed a task, things of that nature. You can see some of the goals I have going on right now. We got my upcoming tasks that are the most recent that need to be done. And so as you can see, this is actually the task I'm working on right now. And so straight from the dashboard, you can quickly add a new task. You can edit a task here. This is actually probably my favorite feature of Proxii, which is the daily reflection panel. So here's my current day. That's what I put in so far. Right? And so every day I like to go in throughout the day and just input what it could have been done. Like today, I kind of skipped breakfast, what went well today, and then additional notes that I like to do, maybe things I have to do for tomorrow and things like that. And once you save it, it gets uploaded and vectorized. And so what that means is our AI chatbot will be able to access it, and you can basically discuss about things or get insights on what you've been going through, things you're good at, things you need improvement on, and you can even help it create tasks and goals and things like that based on what it knows about you and learn throughout your time. So let's just go ahead and ask it to tell me about myself. So this was actually a problem I was facing. And so Proxii, you have advice, you can go ahead and, ask it to create a task or something like that. So let's go ahead and be like, suggest me a task like this. As we can see here, it has created a task automatically based on that. You can always edit it and be more specific and be like, all right, so the name was a bit long. I didn't like it, so I got to shorten it for me. And as we can see here, I now have the task that was created by the AI. And it automatically linked to a related category that I have, which is my gym category. I can go ahead and link it to a goal, like get stronger and go to the gym. All right, now let's go move on to the task page. All right, here are some of the tasks I have going on. You could see the goals that they are linked to and the categories. Over here, you can create a category or edit or delete current categories. So here's a list of categories I am currently using or have used in the past. So on the task page, you'll have the list of tasks. Let's say I went out today and practiced my skateboarding. We'll go ahead and complete that. Boom, you get a little animation, give you some dopamine. You can see what tasks you have to do today. So here's all the things I have to do today. Of course, overdue tasks that are a bit late. You can just go ahead and view all your completed tasks. Always edit them from here or uncomplete them. You can, of course, add a task from here or edit a task, however you like. All right, let's do a quick move on to the goals section. Here is the goals page. And right now I have a couple goals going on for making content for the app Proxii, which I'm doing right now, one of the tasks for that. If you open the goal, you can go ahead and see some of the tasks I have, and you can complete them directly from here or uncomplete them, however you want. And of course, you can edit the goal however you like. You can always add a goal. You could either use the AI or you can manually add it yourself. You can always show your achieved goals. And so this is basically your achieved goals are calculated by the due date and the percentage of completion. And so let's move on to the big exciting page. This is where most of the AI features are built in. This is where Proxii gets smart. It pulls together everything, my goals, my tasks, and reflections, and it turns it into insight. The whole point is to help me stop overthinking and just start doing. So I forgot to reflect on one of the days and give you a little message on something related to you. All right, so let's take a look at the next best task. So here we'll basically, if you wake up in the morning, you're kind of like overwhelmed. I sometimes have so many things to do that I can't pick. So I just go here to the next best task and it tells me what the most optimal is to work on. And if I really don't want to do it, I'll just do suggest another and it'll give me the next one. And so it's kind of funny because I'm doing this one right now. AI suggested tasks. These are generated from your goals, your tasks, things you have going on. And then if I really don't like any of them, I'll just refresh the suggested tasks and it'll give me a new set of suggested tasks from the AI. And then here you have your productivity score, and the productivity score basically takes into account all your metrics and determines how good you are doing. It's always based on the past week, the productivity score. So if you have a bad week and you want to get your productivity score back up, it'll only take you a week. So if you have a bad month or a couple of days, then it won't put you in the hole forever. You can always get your productivity score back in shape. All right, so thank you for watching the Proxii demo. All right, so thank you for watching. If you are interested in Proxii and want to sign up, go ahead. Link will be in the description. You can sign up, make an account. If you have any feedback or any feature requests or any ideas you have, just let me know. You can contact us in the feedback form. Or if you just have any general inquiries, you can also contact us as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find some value in Proxii. Goodbye.